Alright, so when we paint something, we just do it like different layers. So this is the first layer of the drawing and the painting. It's a solid bamboo made DIY canvas. So you can see that the slices of the bamboo pieces are just put in a row and all they combined, and I made this canvas at home by my own. So for the next step, let's see how we can advance for the complete drawing. Okay, so here you can see a breeze, some buildings in a far distance, and a big boat here, like a ship or a launch. All right. So we can put some window in a far distance. All these buildings, just put some dots here, which is going to show the windows during the night. Okay, this is how the the cityscapes. That's a different kind of drawings. hmm So paintings are looking good. Few buildings here you can see. All right, and actually these windows are the because of the illuminating lights, and in a far distance it just can be seen like this. Okay, also same thing apply for the boat here. So the streamliners or the ship, the larger ship, it looks like lots of window with a full of lighting. hmm Okay, you can see the lighting here. All right. Now for the clear visualizations, we are going to put a moon in the sky, just making a round white surface. Okay, this is going to be the moon. And little bit shadow with the white one beside this layer. Okay, all right. Now for the poles, we're going to put the reflection points one side. So that the holes getting clearer visuality. So this is the nearest pole you can see. All right, another two poles is a little bit far. Okay, so it's a straight line from the top to the bottom. And the fourth one here, you can see this is a rope bridge, and the ropes are connected from one pole to another one. Okay, and the top portion we're going to color it the white color. Okay, and also the detail goes on for the left side. On the other side, the top portion is the uh, outer circles, outer portions. That's why I'm putting color on the outer area. Okay, so the roads over the bridge is really getting highlighted. Mm-hmm. All right, and a little bit more details of the ship here. It looks like a cruise ship. So also there are a single pole here. Mm-hmm. All right, the details you can see here. Okay, and some reflections on the water. Little bit more color we can see here. All right, and the drawing looks steady, so all the details are looking good until now, and just working a little bit on the water. Okay, and for the rope maybe we need to do a little details here, because when you put the color white, some connections are broken here. So this rope is continuous with that one, also this one is continuous here. So these are the little bit corrections we need to make after the drawing is done, and that's how the details looks wonderful. Another one is here. Awesome. Awesome. All right, so in the cityscapes, the night scenery is looking gorgeous. It's like a complete bigger city, and you can see the breeze here. Okay, so I hope you like the drawing, and the painting looks good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.